Hi Sam and Rohan. This video is for explaining how to running this multifunctional labeling machine. Let me explain from the start of the bottle feeders, top labeling, double side and three side, and the round bottle labeling and the bottle collection. Because you have so many cans of the bottles, so I have marked for different spare parts for this and this. So for which bottles I already have marked, and for this is for rounder small jars for this, and every spare parts I have mentioned here. Also I have marked connection of for when you get this machine, you can ready to assemble, make it assemble first before coming. Or now let me explain how you run this machine. This is for the bottle fittings. You can put the bottles, jars. If it's like a 10mm bottles or 60 cubic liters, this will be easy to drop because it's very tall, and the gravity is let it easy to fall down. And this is for big bottles to make it running, keep it to go into the conveyor. And this one is for small bottles. You can assemble here from here, and make sure the bottles going from the side of the turntable and go inside. And then this is able to adjust the speeder by this knob. And this is the wire from the main machine. And then we will go into the top labeling. This is the label station, and this will be separated for packing, and you can assemble it. And the height and the space is just the position and the height for the jars. If you run in the big bottles, this should be lifted up. And this one is for separated machine. For if you feed the same bottles, these all same bottles separately one by one have the space, so it's able to labeling each one. Otherwise, if all the bottles is stick together, it will miss the second one or the third one. It will mess this up. So this one is for separated bottles one by one, and regularly, and make it continue running labeling on the bottles. And you can see this like this. You can adjust the space and the height from this. You can lock it and loose it. Okay, and you can change the position to protect the operators. Also this one, and this one also can adjust the outside and in space, more or big, smaller or bigger. And this is also able to loose or tight for this adjustment. And make sure the bottles keep in line. Make sure this position and this conveyor space should be matched online. For example, if you have the bottles going here, however the label is here, so it will be missed here. So you need to mix with this line and this line on same line, also till here. This one is for the square jars, like the for these jars. When you go inside here, this first let it separately one by one, and then it will go into here, go inside. Okay. Okay, it's very hard because we have already adjusted. Okay, here, and this also able to adjust the position for different size. This machine we have already customized for your different size of the bottles as we can. However, you have so much, so I'm not sure every bottle can be running. I can't sure, or I can't promise, because this is so multifunctional already. And for the small jars with like this kind of the bottles, because each one is different, so each spare parts need customized. I'm not sure if your size, because you not give us so much samples. I all buy from China locally. And then after the top labeling, we can test like this. I will show you. Starter the top labeling and both side. We should be choose the functional 3 side. This is round bottle and the double bottle for that station. This is for round bottle station, double station, and this one is for round and double, and this one is for top. So we make sure choose the functional you want for just for round bottles or double side bottles or top and doubles. Should we choose on this functional interface? Now it's okay, and then we able to run. You will see the top labeling and the both side, 3 side. 3 side is white label, so you can not see clear. Okay. And this space adjusted by 2 side. That one, and this also adjusted by this. Lift up. For big bottles, you need a lift for escaper to touch this, and this sensor is for 3 bottles, 3 side labeling. I have mentioned here. This can be adjusted the space by this screw and the different position for the delay of the labeling, and this is for the label stop position, and the list spare parts for the 3 side bottles I have already mentioned. And then we will go into the double side labeling similarly as this sensor adjustment, and these sensor numbers will be here. This is 3 side, this is 2 side. The sensor number is here. You will see if I touch this, you see I touch this, the numbers will be changed. You see, this means this the sensor detected. You see, if I move the finger out, the red one is higher than the setting one is 900, and the red one is real numbers is 943. When I put the finger in, you see the number is changed, and that means the right light is on, and that means this sensor detected the bottles, same as the 2 side bottles. You see. Okay, and then we will go into the next one. 2 double side, that station and this station will be running both for this bottle. For these bottles, these bottles is labeling by this station and that station, and by these sensors, and this will be pyramid of the, you see, this is a round and a double, and this is a double label station. This part is for this station for double, and the round and the label is this part, and the next page is for the top labeling for that sighting. Okay, and this sensor is no problems, and you just the position move inside and the top or lift by this one, and make sure the same position, make sure the level of the 2 station are the same. Also this one should be, make sure this one is higher than this, otherwise this cannot go inside. Okay, one more of the filling. This just for the round bottles, not the square, not the very small jars, or like the 10 millimeter or 60 milliliter cubic reelers cost easy to fall down. Only for the round the bottle and the jars. And this is same. This after this collection is no problem, because you can collect here or the jars. Okay, no problem. And then we'll go into the round bottle labeling. Okay. This is the sensor for detecting the bottles. You see the light of the yellow light. That means this sensor detects the bottles. And you can adjust the strength by this screw here. And this we have equipped 2 spare parts. The big bottle is not longer than this. It's very smaller to make sure the gallon bottles have the space here. And for the very small jars, we move longer of this and manufacture the replacement for different size of the jars and the height to make sure it's labeling on different kinds of bottles. And we can see manual one and bottle lock and the bottle press is for this one. This one will be assemble or disassemble for different bottles. For the gallon bottles, this one is no neither, and for the small jars, this one needed to hold the bottles because the bottle is so light, to make sure it's always on the bottom. Otherwise, it will be changed the position and later the label uneven. And this is menu functional of the round bottle station test. When you press this will be label 1 out. Let me try. You see it's here. And let me try test this. Double bottles. It will running. Okay, and the same as the top one. Okay, and the conveyor test tidying is for this. And 这个怎么不动？这个怎么不动？
是跟输出一起动的。
输出一起动。Okay. This blue wheel is working same time with the conveyor, and the log bottle press is for this, and the import in for the feeding turntable and the export turntable. Blowing label is for the 3 side bottles. It will be air out. Okay, this is the menu, and then the important thing is the counters, how many bottles is running, and this is the setting. This speed it will be calculated after minutes. And the important thing is from this one, round bottle or double bottles. If you press this and this on, and this is for round bottles, usually this will be functioning on. And if you want to 2 doubles labeling, this should be on and this should be on. And you see this should be on. It will be running double labels. And then we will go into the 3 labels. This is not running, and this one on will be on just on the top bottles, and this on, and the 3 side on, it will be running this jar like this, top and the 3 side. So choose the different function to make sure suit for your bottles. Okay, and then we alarm reset, and we can come to see the alarm interface. It will be showing it's turned to red. That means that will be alarm, and it will be show on this part. Okay, this is label station label test. You can test it's working or not. And when you have the problem, you can test by the menu first to make sure each station will work or not. Then we'll let us analysis which part will be problems. This is just for showing of the PLC and the signals right or not. Okay, and the parameters, we have the take the pictures of the different bottles, but you also need to make sure after you set one bottle for like this jar, you can program the one and then take a photo and remember the which this one mean this jar or another jar. You need to make a SOP or doing a photo or files to make sure different bottles for different number of the sightings. You can save the program, the sightings for different bottles, and after you set it, press save for the numbers. And if you want to read out, write in here and press read, then it will be showing another programs. Okay, let me explain this. Conveyor speeders is for this, and the tiding speeders for that one. And when you running the square jars or this jars, this speeder, these two speeder need to match. This tiding speeder can be a little higher than this one, just a little. And the blue wire speeders with this one is already we set it by PLC or programs already, no need to change. 这个不用改吧？这个的这个速度不需要改啊。这个速度就不能速度。这个。速度。OK. Positioning stable time is for the for this one, how long time it will be hold, and lock bottles. 这个是定点定位，这个是 this one lock bottles for this, and the lock delay and the lock time, and the label interval is for this is not functional on this machine because if you want to label two labels, then label 1 and the label 2, this is the label interval. This is for the sighting counters. And this one bottle press time is 是这个吗？压平时间，压平呢？是这个？这个？那这个呢？这个呢？定位吗？定位稳定。光电。啊 ，OK。The position stable time is for the sensor. For example, these bottles, because we need to make sure it's here, not label here. So we detect this position. It will be stable time, can be set, change the settings. And this bottle press time is for this one. The cylinder press delay or press time also can be changed. And these numbers, when you apply the top labeling station, that this number will be shown. Let me show you the top labeling. Then this parameter will be showing up. You see here, same as the round double label speeders. Choose the function on. Then the parameter. This part will be shown. Okay, this is the whole things of the one more. This can be adjusted the position to match the different size of the bottles, and this is the pressure of the move fast or slowly. And this sensor is for this one, this sensor, and this is the air 8mm tubes. This is adjusted by this lift up and you can adjust or adjust the air pressures. Okay, this also can be adjusted the speeder by the controllers here and the power on or off. Okay, so same at this station, adjust the space. Okay, so this is the whole machine adjustments videos. Thank you.